Hi guys, welcome back to another 3 Amigos videos. First of all, I want to thank you guys because we are almost reaching 700 subscribers. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you to every single one of you. Now today we have a very special video for you guys because today here we have an unboxing of a very special camera. And this is the Leica M11 Monochrom. Now you've seen various Leica cameras being featured on our channel recently, including the M11, the M10P, the Q3 especially, but I think the M11 Monochrom is a really cool camera that has been released for 2 months, and it features the same 60 megapixel sensor as the M11. But for those of you who are not familiar with why someone would actually bother buying a black and white camera, that's because the camera doesn't have the color filter that is originally installed into most color cameras, and so with this camera you actually get extra dynamic range and extra sensitivity to light. So this box, as you can see, is untouched, so I'm equally intrigued to see what's actually in this unboxing video. Alright, a brand new seal, so we're gonna undo this right now. Alright, so here we have Leica M11 Monochrom and the box. Here we have a very beautiful photo of the M11 Monochrom showing the gallery and the various registration, different languages. The instructions manual. Showing that it was examined by various people. All right. So these are the items that we'll find in the M11 Monochrom box. Here we have a very beautiful strap. We have a USB to USB-C cable. Here we have a Leica Photos cable, so you can connect the Leica camera directly to your iPhone. Here we have various electrical adapters. This is the Leica camera charger, the camera battery itself, as well as a car charger, I believe. Oh no, this is the charger. Alright, so this is the camera itself. It feels much lighter in the hand, and I actually have a Leica M246, which takes the body from the M240 as a comparison. So this is 1 generation older than the M10, and you can see that it's definitely much thinner. Now the M10 definitely retains its monochromatic design. You can see that there's no obvious red dots, and it retains a very simple design so that it stays under the radar when you're doing street photography. Now on the camera, here we have the control for the ISO dial, and here we have the shutter speed. Here we have the on and off button and the shutter. Now on the back we have 3 buttons which shares a similar design to the M11 camera, with the play, function and menu button, and I believe this camera is also a touchscreen. And here we have the base of the camera, which is quite different from the previous M10 and M9 and M240 designs because it doesn't have the base plate anymore. So overall, the camera feels really good in the hands. It's really very light, and I can't wait to take some photos to show you guys to see what this camera is capable of doing.
For this video, we would like to thank Billy. Please check out his carousel and Instagram here. He lent us this camera for unboxing, and now it's being on sale for a special price.